This watch is in good condition, but it stops working sometime, so I will try to fix it. I will remove the strap screws first. A quick turn on the back removes the back cover. Here we can have a closer look at the automatic mechanism. After removing the back weight and the housing, it's time to remove the hands carefully. This watch has a pretty unique design on the glass inside. One by one, it's time to remove the gears. After unscrewing some more screws, I will continue taking the watch apart. I will soak them in alcohol and brush them to clean. Now it's time to reassemble the whole mechanism back to its place. The watch was in quite a nice condition, so this won't need much repair. I haven't replaced any parts, so the watch will stay in its original condition. I hope this watch will serve its owner for a long time.